Hi everyone, in this video I will show Samsung Galaxy A06 apps not working or how to fix. Before starting this video, please press the bell icon or do subscribe this channel. Let's start our video without wasting any time.